The wet location rated Luna 2 provides a small aperture with a powerful output, offering up to 560 lumens and 90 plus CRI along with a CCT Selectable Switch. It's perfect for general illumination in residential, task lighting, cove or wall niches, or in a shower. The regressed optic provides a quiet light in the ceiling, as well as an architectural look. The Luna 2 is available in round or square, in white, black, or brushed nickel. Like all our Luna fixtures, the Luna 2 comes with a lifetime warranty, is IC rated, Energy Star, airtight, and is fully dimmable. The Luna 2 is also wet location rated, JA8 Title 24, and is designed to be easily installed in remodel or new construction applications. This small aperture fixture punches out up to 560 lumens along with a built-in CCT Selectable Switch for 27, 30, 35, 40, and 50 degrees Kelvin. A dim-to-warm option is also available. We also offer a new construction mounting kit, a 5-foot flexible connector for remote driver mounting, and a vapor barrier extender. For more information, please visit liteline.com/Luna.